So let's get this section started off by doing some simple arithmetic. We're going to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and powers by arithmetic operators. Just plus, minus, multiply, divide, and take a power. Now, if I click in this little cell here, you can see that it is a code cell. So I'm going to write code in there, but you can see I've got a bit of text there. As in Python with Julia, we can write these comment lines, starting them off with this pound sign. I can even put a space there. Anything after that pound sign for that line, the Julia is going to ignore. It's not going to execute that code. So that's not markdown. That is just part of Julia itself. Same as with Python. All languages have their own little comment keys there. This here in Julia we have the pound sign. The hashtag. It's just going to ignore that line of code. But let's get going. 2 plus 2. I'm putting these spaces in just for visual effect. You don't have to put them in there. To execute this line, the cell, I'm going to hold down Shift and return, or Shift and enter, or I can hit this little play button. Off we go, and we see this. It gets executed, and 2 plus 2 indeed is 4. 3 minus 4. What's that going to give us? -1. As simple as that. Multiplication, 3 times 4, Shift enter, that's 12. Multiplication, as with most languages, is this little star sign, Shift 8 on most keyboards. Division is the / sign, so I can say 12 divided by 4, and that's going to give me 3. One thing I want you just to notice, see, that was 12, but this is 3.0. There's a difference between those. This is an integer, this is a floating point value. We'll get to that in future. And just 2 to the power 4. So in case you know Python, in Python those will be double stars. But here in Julia we have this caret sign, Shift 8. And I'm not putting in spaces there, although you could, just to remind myself visually that this is 2 to the power 4. And indeed we're going to get 16. So simple arithmetic, just using simple arithmetical operators. Next up, we're going to look at the use of functions to do these simple calculations for us.